Heyo, boss, and welcome back. Today's chef's going to show us how to make a buffalo chicken enchilada. We're using our non-sponsored Frank's Red Hot sauce. We're still in the works. We're trying to get a sponsorship, people. We're trying. But chef really liked this dish. It tasted phenomenal, and it was very simple to make. Let's go ahead and get cooking. So get your oven preheated to 400 degrees and pick up a pre-cooked rotisserie chicken. Chef grabbed a barbecue flavored, but really makes it easier. Shred this up and put the chicken in a bowl. Go ahead and add your cheese. And chef only used the white meat. I wanted to just point that out. Then add the white portions of your scallions. So cut up some scallions and use the white portion. A little bit of cumin. Some softened cream cheese. A little bit of butter. And then your Frank's Red Hot sauce. And you're going to mix this all together nice and thoroughly. Don't forget, all the ingredients that we've used will be listed down below in the measurements. And don't forget to check out our blog for more details. Go ahead now in a side bowl, use a little bit of melted butter. Mix that with some more Frank's Red Hot sauce. And then a little bit of water. This is going to be kind of a glaze you're going to put on later. So after you go ahead and mix this up, whisk it up, put it to the side. Next up, get a oven safe pan and just a little bit of cooking spray right on top there. Get all the sides. Warm up some tortilla shells and then just go ahead and place the filling right in the middle. All you need is just a little bit. Next, roll these right up, nice and tight, fold in each side. And then you're going to go ahead and just place these right in the dish. And make a lot of room, try to get as many as you can in there. So here's your end product, so we're going to go ahead and finish this off. So now make that mixture you made, that glaze, just go ahead and pour it right over the top. Once that's all set, you're going to go ahead and sprinkle some more sharp cheddar cheese. After that, go ahead and add some crumbly blue cheese. And however much you put on is totally up to you. And we're going to put this in the oven at 400 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Come on, chef. Labor Day's over. You know you can't wear white. He never listens. So, in the oven for about 15 to about 20 minutes tops. Just check on it. Make sure everything's nice and cooked and melted on top like that. Now, chef's going to leave the left side. He's not going to put any blue cheese on it. But he's some blue cheese. He's going to just kind of drizzle over the top. And the one left side is going to leave because his wife is pregnant. So he does, love her. How nice of him. Now, go ahead and chop up the scallions. Put the green parts right on top as some garnish. And then you can go ahead and serve it up. Chef wanted to point out the blue cheese was cooked. The crumbly blue was cooked. However, the dressing on top was not. So, for anyone who's pregnant. Go ahead and serve these up with some sour cream on top. And there you have it. Buffalo chicken enchiladas. Did you see that? How simple that was? Very simple. They came out great. Had a nice little buffalo flavor to them. Almost tasted like our buffalo dip that the team makes. Thanks everyone for checking us out. We really do hope you make this. We think you're going to enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and check out some of our other videos. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.